Shifting focus to some other news, will Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Kiran Kumar Reddy call it quits? Headlines today has learned that there is tremendous pressure on him to come out of the Congress and float his own political party from Congress leaders who can neither join the TDP nor the YSR Congress. T.S. Sudhir with this exclusive report.
Since 30th July, when the Congress decided to divide Andhra Pradesh, Chief Minister Kiran Kumar Reddy has been batting on the front foot. His latest salvo came on Saturday in Vijayawada when he warned the High Command against carrying out the process of bifurcation.
చేసుకోండి వారు కాదు మీతో ఉండేది వారిని కావాలంటే కేసీఆర్ ని కలుపుకోండి ముఖ్యమంత్రి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ కు చేయండి జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డిని కలుపుకోండి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ముఖ్యమంత్రి చేయండి లేక చంద్రబాబు నాయుడుని కలుపుకుంటావా కలుపుకొని ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ముఖ్యమంత్రి చేయండి తప్ప ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాష్ట్రాన్ని విభజించేది మాత్రం మేము ఒప్పుకోము అనేది స్పష్టంగా తెలియజేస్తాం.
This bravado has led many to wonder if Reddy is playing to a plan, that of inviting the Congress leadership's wrath, get sacked from the post and then position himself as a political martyr and float his own party. More than 50 Congress MPs and MLAs who do not see eye to eye with Jagan Mohan Reddy or Chandrababu Naidu and therefore cannot join their parties are nudging Kiran Reddy to start a new innings in a new team. Social Welfare Minister P. Satyanarayana, considered very close to Reddy, however, says the Chief Minister has not made up his mind.
Why don't you come as a separate party leader? Still he has not taken a decision. Only thing we have to wait the High Command at any moment. He'll took a U-turn or something, dialogue will come. We will hope that we'll have to have a wait.
Surveys conducted by those close to the CM have indicated that his defiance has made him popular among the government employees in Simandhra who went on strike for over 70 days after the decision on division was taken. The belief, therefore, is that Kiran Reddy can be a force to reckon with in the two regions of coastal Andhra and Rayalaseema.
Kiran Kumar Reddy, however, is still undecided. That's because both he and his family have always been part of the Congress party, and that makes it difficult for him to snap the umbilical cord. Two, the fear that if he floats his own party, he will only eat into Jagan Mohan Reddy's vote share, thereby boosting Chandrababu Naidu's electoral prospects.
There are many who see a Kiran Reddy hand in the decision of 6 Congress MPs moving a non-confidence motion against the UPA government, a move that will invite disqualification.
When they are ready for disqualification, when they are ready for disciplinary action, it seems that Congress leaders, many Congress leaders led by Kiran Kumar Reddy are actually planning for forming a new party. Will it make an impact or not is a secondary question. But while the Kiran Kumar Reddy and his camp now realizes that if they are in the Congress, their political future is sealed.
The Telangana leaders who have no love lost for Kiran Reddy dismiss his party plans as a foolish idea.
You see, only fools think like that. If he wants to be one, he can do that. There's nothing wrong in this.
In 2009, the Congress won 21 out of 25 Lok Sabha seats in the Simandhra region of Andhra Pradesh. It is ironical that today the party has become so discredited that even its own chief minister does not want to be associated with it. With T.S. Sudhir in Hyderabad, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.